Do you like joint family or separate family? How many members are in your family? Do you love your family? Whom do you love the most in your family? Who is the eldest person in your family? Who is the youngest person in your family? How many uncles have you? How many persons are in government service? How many persons are in private service? Who is the most educated person in your family? Do you have grandparents? What is the nature of your grandfather? What is the nature of your grandmother? Who is the jolly person in your family? Do you go on tour along with your family? Who is the most caring person in your family? Who is the most responsible person in your family? What qualities of your family do you like? On which occasion all the family members get together? Thank you.